Good day. Today, we'll try to fix this thing.
Because obviously, buying a new fan is too easy and out of our budget.
First, we'll check the continuity,
No reading on the tester.
which means the connection is broken. It might be the cord, the fuse, or the motor. I hope not. Let's open it and check the cord continuity.
And yes, I'll be helping, mostly by staring and asking questions. Very important questions.
Let's check the cord using the tester at buzzer mode.
It
The cord is
beeps.
good. Now, let's check the wires going to the motor. Point one test probe in the prong pin, which wire is directly connected to the motor, and the other probe to the switch terminals. There should be a resistance of about 400 to 600 ohms for each terminal. If there is no resistance, it means that the circuit or the connection going to the motor is broken.
There's no reading on the tester. What should we do next?
We'll check the thermal fuse inside the motor.
So, we'll have to open the motor?
Exactly. Before doing any repair, make sure the power supply is completely disconnected.
Translation: unplug it. We don't want this repair turning into a science experiment.
Always use insulated tools and work carefully.
Electronics repair can be dangerous and should only be attempted by trained individuals. Individuals without safety knowledge are strongly advised not to attempt repairs.
Yeah, safety first. Or do so at your own risk.
That's what's inside the motor?
And here's the fuse.
This is where most fans give up right after one power surge?
Based on my research, yes. And overheating and overcurrent due to the stuck motor in shorted windings can cause the thermal fuse to blow. Now, we will open these insulated connections so we can check the fuse. Extra care must be observed not to break any thin wires.
Please be very careful. Before we forget, please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Seems like the real cause is hiding, huh?
But we'll surely find it, just wait.
Be careful. Someone is coming. The owner of the printer that we fixed the other day.
Back to our work. You know what? Some expert says a good repairman or technician should be patient, determined, and have a strong troubleshooting ability. They act like a detective to accurately diagnose the root cause of a problem rather than just fixing the symptom.
And you want to be like them.
I'm trying. I'm hoping. Now we'll check the thermal fuse. It should have continuity and beep the tester when tested in buzzer mode.
Thermal fuse is good.
And here's the real cause, a broken wire.
The broken wire looks crisp or brittle. Why is there something like white powder present in the wire?
Google says the powder is usually aluminum oxide. It indicates severe degradation of wire, typically caused by moisture penetration, overheating, or chemical reaction, especially in cheaper copper-coated aluminum wires. Now, we're going to reconnect this fuse and the broken wire.
Looks like the lead is not sticking on the wire. Why is that?
Possibly because of that powder present in the wire, so we're going to cut this wire again for a better connection. We'll check the continuity from the plug prongs.
It's good?
Not sure yet. We still need to do a resistance check for each speed while connecting our test probes to the plug prongs. Speed 2, good. Speed 3, good.
Seems not. Speed 1 has no reading.
Speed 2, good. Speed 3, Good.
Speed 1 has no reading.
Yeah, you're right. Speed 1 has no continuity. So we're going to check the connection at Speed 1 circuit. This might be the same issue with the thermal fuse connection, a damaged or broken wire at the winding terminal connection.
So, basically, the motor was healthy, but the signal never arrived.
Exactly. See, a damaged wire at the Speed 1 connection. This type of fault is common in some of today's fans due to the wire quality, vibration, and heat over time.
Now, we will reconnect the wire, clean and strip it carefully before connecting it back to the winding terminal, then insulate it properly. Thank you for spending your time here. If you want to support the channel and see more videos like this, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. Either way, we really appreciate you watching.
Now let's fix the connections, insulate them, and tie them up to make sure there won't be any short circuit problems.
No tape magic here, proper insulation so it doesn't break again next week.
Good insulation is critical to prevent short circuits and future failures. Now, we are going to assemble this fan and see if it will work.
Do you need my help?
Thanks, I can manage.
Okay. So again, to everyone who's already subscribed and supporting this channel, it really means more to us than you know. And if you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, no pressure at all, but you'd be more than welcome here. If this content has helped you or made you smile even a little, subscribing is a simple way to support the channel and help it grow.
Let's tap the shaft a little to make it and the bushings aligned well. And let's install the blade.
Seems you've finished repairing. Sure that fan will work now?
Of course. And now, the moment of truth.
Oh look, it's alive and quiet. Unlike someone when tools go missing.
That's not me, right?
Sometimes.
So if your wall fan stops working, don't assume the motor is dead.
Check the basics first. Sometimes the problem is just one tired little wire.
Thanks for watching.